Have you run into a dead end when trying to locate the data plate or the HUD information on your manufactured home? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where your manufacturer's serial number is engraved on the frame of your manufactured home, and then I'm going to show you and guide you on how to actually order a new label verification letter and a data plate certificate so that you will now have the requirements needed in order to sell, refinance, or even purchase a manufactured home. Here are some examples of where you would want to check. You will want to check underneath the sink, inside all the cabinets, around the water heater, air handler, and electrical panel, and check all the closets throughout the house. So the first thing you want to do is determine which side of the home was actually towed from. So I have determined that this is the left side, side A, and this is the right side, side B. I was able to determine that this is the side of the home it was towed from since the hitch is underneath the home. So you can see here there is a label on the home. This is actually a permit label for the HVAC system that was installed. And the label we were looking for on the exterior of the home is actually a 3x5 label that looks like this. And unfortunately, we were unable to locate a label on this home because it has either been removed or covered by siding or damaged of some sort. So we're going to go ahead and remove all of this white trim at the bottom here so that we can peel back this galvanized skirting and identify the serial number of the home that is again etched on the framing of the home. If you have a double wide, you'll have two serial numbers to retrieve. A single wide would only have one, and so on. Now that we have the trim off and the metal is able to be peeled back, we have basically struck gold right here. We see the month, the year, the type of manufactured home, and also this sticker right here, it has the serial number on it. We are going to go ahead and make sure the serial numbers match, and then we'll locate the serial number on the second half of the home as well, so that we can send those in and get the labels we want. So when submitting this information on IBTS's website, they will ask you if you want certain documentation for the home, and you'll select yes. I'll share the website in the description along with the cost that we spent for everything. Also, when submitting my order, I only had them email me my certificates, and that has been more than sufficient for all of our transactions as far as buying, selling, or even refinancing. So hopefully you found this video to be really helpful. The process is not difficult at all. You find your serial number. If you find a little tag with the month and the year and the actual name of the manufactured home, like the type or the model, makes it super helpful. But just the serial numbers are enough to get you by. Down in the description, I will have the website that you can go to for the IBTS, and they are the only company that I've found that you could submit this information to and they get back to you really quickly. I want to say it was like maybe 2 days, and I have never had to actually have them mail me any certifications or certificates. They email them, I send them to whoever is requesting them, as far as banks or buyers or even sellers, and it's been super smooth. Outside of the frustration or just the stress of not being able to have this information, because it is definitely a roadblock, it's gonna be okay. So just know that it will be okay. You'll figure it out. Someone's gonna figure it out. There's always a way. And if you found this to be helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button, because it definitely helps me. So thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful day and best of luck to you.